Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. Just off of the Sebring HSR event this past weekend. What a blast. Took almost 50 of our best friends and about 30 cars out to the track. Had a blast. Big Corral out in turns 15 and 16. Some good food. I think the chef passed muster this year, so some good food out there. Had a blast doing that. And next up on the agenda, we're working out the details right now for Road Atlanta in April, late April, with HSR. So pay attention to that. Details will be out after the holidays. Up next is voting for our chapter officers, our board of directors. Takes about a minute, something like that. You can do it sitting on your sofa. Click in, do the voting. It's important to us just to make sure that your voice is heard. We've got some really cool plans for next year, so do that. We got 3 new area governors that we're working with, and we're expanding. We're opening a territory up in the I don't know what to call it, the territory south of Tallahassee and the territory east of Panama City in the Panama City area. Chris Schroeder is going to anchor that. Territory. We're opening that up. We know we have about 20 or 30 members up in that area, and I want to reach out to you. So Chris has stepped forward and he's touching base with people up there right now. New area governor for the Gainesville Villages, Ocala area is Meribeth Culver, and got that going. John Schneider's down here in our Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda area, doing well, and we're having some conversations in the Marco Island.Naples area. Soon to announce, hopefully, a new area governor down there and get that rocking and rolling. So we're having a good time, really loading up on the events, and now you're going to see multiple events on the same weekend, same dates, so you have things to choose from all across the state. Let me tell you about the annual dinner. We opened the annual dinner last Friday. We have 80 spots. If you think you're going to go to the annual dinner, you have about 5 or 6 more days to buy tickets at $55. Then they go to $75. But let me let you in on a little secret. There are only maybe 20 tickets left to the entire event. So if you're putting it off, you're thinking about it, don't think too long, because once we've sold out the 80 spots, it's done. It will be at the Florida Aquarium in Tampa. We have exclusive use of the aquarium on the evening of January 21st, and we're looking forward to it. Russ Garvey, our senior board member, has done an amazing job securing the location, getting the details worked out, the hors d'oeuvres, the dinner, the whole 9 yards. What an event, and we have the whole facility exclusively to ourselves on the evening of the 21st of January, Saturday. On that date also, the officers, board of directors, and area governors will be meeting from noon until 3 o'clock. A location yet to be determined, but we have about a 3-hour planning conference on that date, looking at 2023 and things we want to accomplish. We also are working out track days. We're talking, in fact, tonight, while I'm videoing this at 8 o'clock tonight, I have a meeting on track day, and I'll give you more details as I dive into that, but we're excited about expanding that and making some things happen. So we've got a lot going on. Karting, we're implementing a motorsports planning team, so we should be able to address opportunities across our motorsports, from car drives to autocrosses to rallies to poker runs, karting, you name it, anything that has to do with a driving event. We're gonna have a special team set up to plan nothing but that across our state and across our territory. So looking for some really cool things to happen. I know we're going into the holidays, and I'll just say we're in the middle of the holidays. Hope you're doing planning. Be safe as you're out traveling and doing things with you and your family. It's sort of crazy this time of year with all the visitors in town. So just be safe as you do that. We look forward to having a great holiday season and wishing that for you and yours. But we got a lot of things going, so pay attention to the details, cars and coffees, and those kind of things. So until then, we're going to say happy motoring as always, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.